The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Fellas, happy Friday. Good morning, Randy and Sue, Stephen. Guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Richard, Dana. Fellas, very good morning to you. Well, for those of you guys that may have paid attention to member Skype last evening, morning, Chris. And fellas, I put it in both Skypes. Mort, good morning. I gave my targets last night. 38 in the room. We got there. 42. We got there. Good job, Mark. Last night in the room or in member Skype, for those of you guys that, I think it's off, paid attention, I gave you guys targets of 77 and 87 with a target still at 9. Hey, Todd, good morning. Target still at 92, 97, which I think we'll see today. We'll see. We never know, but good morning, Modar. I know you took the trades last night. Good for you. That 50 pullback was a great entry. I liked 50. I like 57, but nonetheless, we got targets. Let's see, guys. We have no news today. American Express reported they beat in line. Good job, Alan. Good. Some of you guys managed to get that trade. If you held it, you got 30 handles out of that maxed out. It's a nice overnight trade. It's a great trade, period. In any event, guys, it is Friday. For those of you that are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your week. Looking around, clearly buyers across the board. We're losing some, but 4,300 buyers right now in the ES. We've got buyers in the YM. We have buyers in the NASDAQ, 1,700 at the moment, almost 1,800 actually. We have small-ish sellers in crude. I do think crude is going to move back up. It's been beaten to death, but we should get a move back up. And we have 600 sellers in gold. Would not be surprised to see a move back up in gold. I think gold's got an immediate target at 58.3, 5 ticks. But I think 59.5 or 6 is probably a good target from here. Back up into VWAP, maybe 4. Let's see. What else do we got? Anybody that traded silver? Anybody trade silver overnight? Again, my machine, I don't run it overnight, guys, but silver had another. Again, this is that high probability chart. Here's silver. Gave another long. First target's been hit. It has pulled back to the original or initial entry. Pretty close to it. It did, but it has not touched the trailing stop. So if anybody's in it, hang on, guys. Pentagon wants to clamp down on sales to Huawei. Loss of revenue would hurt U.S. tech firms. Little blurb that just came through. It's not. Nothing there. U.S. wants to end promptly Huawei's flouting of the law. I'm not sure what they're referring to. Let me read the disclaimer, guys, and we're good to go on Friday. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go, fellas. Come on, gold.
Order filled.
500 tick just filled. 500 tick is long, fellas. One tick from target. Got a new 15 range. Come on, buddy. I mean, it should get to 59 too. Should. You got natural gas at short, but at the support trend line at 62, but you've got a short-term long. Come on, dope. One more tick, there's nothing there.
Target filled.
Target filled, fellas. Target filled. Going to find resistance, obviously, at 59.2. Right here. We're pushing VWAP 59.2. If we break above VWAP, fellas, I mean, I'm going to move that target further out. Okay? But we're pushing VWAP. We're above VWAP slightly.
Target filled.
500 tick got its first target. And this is one tick from second target. Okay? So the bot it hit second target. So the bot did its job, guys. 20 ticks. $200 trade on 2 contracts. 270 on 3. 70 on 1. Right? So now what I'm hoping for is a move further out. But it did its job. It got the targets as defined by average true range. And crude, again, unfortunately, I don't have it on. I don't turn them on this early generally. Crude got both targets, fellas. 17 and 21 ticks. Swing, high probability chart. Took a trade yesterday. The likelihood is it will not take another trade today. You can shut that off. I mean, it would have to go a mile long and turn the 15-minute green. Not going to happen. Yeah, I'm already in a trade, Modar. I'm in a trade here. This could pull back into support at 58.5. we get up through that area, you got a shot of a bigger trade here. Again, hit second target. Let me see what I need. If this gives me 58.5, 59.5, if this gets to 60, this thing erupts. At 60, it's got to break 59.8. But at 60, we may only make it to 60.5. Before another pullback. I think NASDAQ's going to come down, guys. But so one of the things that, all right, I don't like that look, but it is a 377 tick. We're pushing the 34 moving average and resistance here. So one of the things, guys could say to me is, well, you're looking at another chart and blah, 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 right? You guys know you can put this indicator on your bots. I have it on some of them. Jeez, look at silver. Oh my God. Silver blew up past that second target, fellas. Nice job, Kim. Anybody remember the target I gave, fellas? On silver? Anybody remember where I said silver could go? 970? Exactly. Thank you, Modar. What did it hit? Somebody tell me what it hit. 970. Swing. Monster trade. That's a monster silver trade, fellas. God dang it. Look at crude. Anybody holding crude?
Target filled.
Got both targets, guys. Got both targets. You cannot short CL now. No. No. That short came here. Thank you, Greg. That short came here, fellas, off this high probability chart. This is that 3-minute crude chart. It's in the member area, guys. It does not take many trades. Now, yesterday it took one, and today it took one. Yesterday was good for $520. So today, if you were trading 3, would have been 340, 440, 540. Same, $550. 3 contract trade. Nice job, Alan. My brother owns a lot. My brother had, again, another trade. Come on, buddy. Came one tick from target. It should go. It's got to get through 61.3. Same resistance zone, 61.3. Same resistance at 61.3. Come on, one more to first target. It's pushing that same resistance, guys. Got it. Another winner on the 377. Anybody take the NASDAQ? I gave it to you guys at 77. Look at this trade. Dangs. Okay, Joe. Anybody else in NASDAQ? Okay, Randy. NASDAQ's coming down to that 59 number. RB got slaughtered again. Okay, fellas, good job. All right.
Order filled.
I'm out. This may bounce, but I'm out. It's still fighting that resistance zone. Actually, my bot was on when I left, and it did not get the short. Look at crude below 54.50. Anybody holding crude? Jeez. Crude's headed down to 54 bucks. 54 bucks. Okay, Mark. Good job. Nice job, guys. All targets hit. It's coming down lower. The only bot trades I've had fired today are gold. That's it. Oh, and crude. One crude trade. We're now in. There's no way I'm buying into longs. You got another short on the NASDAQ at 67.50 quarter right here. I'm not touching this, but I think we're coming down. On the bigger time frame, I can make an argument for a long. I'm not taking longs, guys. Your NQ bot is set for shorts only? Okay. I like it short. We're back up into this trend line. We caught a huge trade off that 77. There goes gold. Buyers in gold. We're chopping around. Small buyers, guys, here. 60, 65. There's no buyers. There's nobody running in to buy this thing. Lower we're going. I'm not taking any retracements long. There's not enough buyers. On this bounce back up, you've got 20. The bot's not going to get, well, it will on the Unirenko, but it's not going to give you a long. I'd like to see a pullback into 76 to 78 and then a rollover again. There goes gold. Both targets hit. This is going to break. It's holding that little trend line. If we get rid of this, lower we go. Come on, buddy. Jeez. There we go. If this break 62, we start working down to 53. NASDAQ has support, fellas. 40 to 45 might be an interesting long. ES down to 27. I've got great support in the ES around 21 to 23. All right, Todd, talk to you later. It'll be tomorrow. Yeah, it'll be tomorrow. I'll send you an email later. Russell's leading the charge, fellas. Russell's getting bombarded. I wasn't watching. YM is still bid to a degree. YM is bid. NASDAQ's 2,300 net buyers, but I'm not buying into longs yet. I'm watching this ES. It's sitting on support here, 37 area. If ES breaks this 27, I mean, this could work down to 23, which might be an interesting long. I really like 21. NASDAQ's not low enough yet for me to want to be long. I see the buyers, but they're not pushing. Chop, slop. Does it look like a bottom for crude? Man, I don't know. I don't think so, but you might get a small bid out of this. Maybe back up into 80. I mean, you got a shot. It's not a trade I see yet. I don't see buyers. 2 candles ago, you had 2,000 net sellers. It could get back to 71. It's not a trade I want. ES 27 is your bottom. ES can work back up to maybe 30 initially. It's not worth a trade. Gold is still bid. Still, it's got a shot, guys. It's pushing this here. I mean, that first time, I don't even know what filled or where. Gold turning back up. Come on, crude. 2 more. I mean, honestly, guys, in this precipitous sell-off, who would have had the guts to take a long? Is there anybody that really would have taken a long on their own? The nice thing about the robot doesn't care. Bot shorted NQ on the 15 range. Yeah, not mine. 1 and 3 minute time frames? Yeah, it did. RB is still going. Yeah, it definitely does. It definitely does, Floyd. Which the same cannot be said for me. Here's the 500 tick on gold. And damn it, I didn't get a fire on my account. Another target hit, guys. This is taken every trade. Again, this has taken every trade and hit first target or better on every trade today. On gold. Up and down. Up and down. Every trade's been hit, guys. At least first target. Crude came one tick from that second target and is pulling back.
Order filled.
$15 range is going to target. On the NASDAQ. $56 is first target. Come on down. Here we go on the ES. Come on, break that low. Guys, on the ES, the buy zone is 21 to 23. It held the low and bounced off 24.75, two handles quickly.
Target filled.
Gold just got another first target on the 500 tick, and it would have gotten both targets on your 377. And if you're in it, it should have. Which time frame, Jeff? You're up 32 ES points with a runner. Which time frame on the bot? Using a 4-tick range. I don't know what the settings are, so I can't track it. Will you email me your settings? One of the settings in the room? I don't have a 4 range for the ES. I have an 8 range. Is that the one you're referring to? He's definitely said it wrong if you're trading a 4 range. With the same set,
Target filled.
gold got both targets. With the settings for the 8 range, the 750 and the 5,000, Jeff? Oh, 3 and 5 minute. Well, 32 ES points can't lie, right? Come on, NASDAQ, come on down. Let me write it down. For Renko, not a Unirenko. Okay. I do, Mark. Guys, I'll tell you where gold is headed. Let me give you a target on gold. Silver's blowing back up. I'll give you a target on gold. Gold is headed to 70, give or take. We're going to 70 on gold. Come on, ES. Come on down further. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on down to 40, 45. Yes, Mort, I do. Nice job, Jeff. Come on, ES. Break lower. That's what I see, Rob. 21 to 23. You got the same zone. CDC confirming the second coronavirus case in Chicago. Who said 70 on gold? I know I heard it someplace. Let me see where the hell we can go. I mean, I can give you a stupid target, Carl, if you're still in. You want a stupid target? 78. 78. I don't know that it gets there today, but that's, let me say they are buying the living breaks out of gold. They're buying everything they can get their freaking fingers on now. NQ came into the bottom of the range, guys. This is our long. If you have the guts, I do not. I'm telling you, I don't have the heart to put a trade on yet. There are buyers in here, though. It is a long. Damn it, I could have been long 42. You have resistance on gold at 70? Well, apparently the buyers, Mort, don't know that yet. This just needs to break 71, and it's going to make another spurt. Guys, that was my zone, and honestly, I didn't trust my own zone. ES is a long with a stop at 18.5. If you guys want the ES, it's a long with a stop at 18.5. I told you guys ES was 21 to 23, and we came to 20 quarter, right? But I gave you the stop at 18.5. It's a long. It is a long. It came right into that zone on the ES and the NASDAQ. We have 500 buyers in this candle. They're buying it now, guys. I am not in a trade. Here goes gold. They're going to run gold up the flagpole right now. It's building a bull flag up here. It's got to pop 71. All right, NASDAQ's trying to hold in here. I don't have enough buyers yet. I mean, ES can go all the way back. First target on the ES is 24. 24, Shahid. My man, Mark. Mark came out of gold at 70, and he reversed his NQ short at 42.75 long. Nice job, Mark. Come on, 24 first target. Let's go, ES. Final target back up around 27. Stop is 18.5 on that ES trade. That's an odd number. Up 699. Nice job. See you tomorrow. All right, here we go, guys. On the ES, if it breaks above 2275, you can move your stop to 20. It's got to break 2275 first. There goes gold. 71. I have a target at 78, guys. I don't know that it gets there today, but they're buying gold by the bucket. Look at this gold. 72. Jesus, good Lord God Almighty. Real stop is 70.6. 70.6. "63 patients under investigation for coronavirus from 23 states. So far, only 2 confirmed." Guys, if this thing gets to $78 in our session, I'm going to fall over. Better put some pillows down. You can move stop now to 72. 72. That's a tight stop, but you want a little bit bigger stop to try to let it breathe. 71.
Target filled.
Oh, there was a bot trade on, guys. Never saw it. Crude, another target. Never saw it. I mean, it's a hell of a trade, Carl. NASDAQ could come down to 36. It's trying to hold this zone, but there's just no buyers. It's only 1,300 sellers, fellas. You're in from 58.3? Nice job, man. Nice job. Was it a bot trade initially? Nice job. Another breakdown, guys. That should help gold. Bonds and silver stratospheric. That was my call this morning on the bot. We're going higher, guys. It's going to 75 on the next move. As soon as it breaks 73.7, it's going to 75. There it goes. 75, next level. That was your ES stop, 18.5. I gave that to you. I mean, there's the next. Guys, the next level down. We're getting pretty close. I mean, we're into support here. Maybe 20? 20, 19.5? We can't even get a bounce back to 36. We're into all kinds of support here, and this thing will not bounce. NQ at 47. I have no doubt we're going to get a bounce back up at some point. Nice job, LA. Nice job. Gold is pulling back. It only got to 75. What a shame. Man, can the ES come down that low? 03? Oh, man, Don. You should be doing stand-up comedy. The 15 range is getting ready to roll over on the ES. I mean, the 15 range is trying to fire a trade. Well, not yet. Caught a quick scalp from 17. This gold is trying to move to the next target at 41, final target. I mean, this could come all the way down to 54.18. I'm going to move that down. I mean crude, not gold, crude. I'll just let it auto trail, guys. Okay? Yeah, I went to the 15 range because there's so few trades on those 13 and 15, so I figured next short on gold, NASDAQ is trying to break 34.5. All right, guys. Crude hit second target on the bot. So it hit second target for 14 ticks. I'm just holding it. All right, NASDAQ's bid. ES's bid too. Came down about 6. What tick trend? I corrected it in the members error. It's been corrected. Tick trend is 10. Open offset is 4. Right? Here, hang on, guys.
Order filled.
Let me close that out. Again, can't do anything about news. Yep. Look at high probability trade on the bots, fellas. Hit first target, did not. Oh, filled. God dang it, dudes. Third coronavirus case in the U.S. Yeah. CDC is going to confirm. This is a high probability chart. Again, doesn't take many trades, but when it does, they are usually winners. Got first target, 22 ticks, so a little better than 5 handles on that, guys. Yeah, there's something wrong, David. Okay, Rick. I'll get with him today. Yeah, CL really puked it up. So there's a reaction to the news, and now we get a rebound. ES probably will head back to 19. Let's see what it does. Man, oh man, they are killing RB. Look at this. Killing it. Somebody always knows. Somebody always knows. And that sent gold higher. Back to that 72 half area. More generally about now. I'm shutting them off as we speak. There's not a bot in the red today, fellas. Not one. Everything made money today. Yet another Chinese province raising their health response. Guys, today is Friday, and we're setting up to wrap up for the day. Does anybody have any questions? Any of my trial members have any questions? If any of the trials would like to become members today and join us for education tomorrow and start, reach out to me. I've sent emails. So we'll give it a few more minutes. Guys, it couldn't be any easier. For my members, I'll be on Skype in a bit. I'll put trades in Skype. I'll give you today's totals, fellas. On the NASDAQ, 15 range, up 920, 920, green. On crude, on the 500 tick, up 420, green. I think it took 2 trades. On crude, on the 3 minute, up 410. Oh no, that's untrue. 520, that's my account. You can add 410 into that. We've got the ES on currently. On gold. Hang on, guys. I have to switch it back to gold. It's sitting on my account. There is nothing on gold. I don't have anything because I took all the gold live trades. No trades on the Russell today. And if I close the ES out today, well, we'll let it go to target, I guess. It's trying to bounce here. I'm going to take this off, guys.
Order filled.
887.50 on the ES. So if you were to have taken every trade today, you've got 887 there. That's crude. My account, plus 920. You're at 3177.50 today. That's you, Greg, or those are the totals, my totals? No. I've got 887.50 on the ES. I've got 540 on the crude 3-minute plus 420 on the 500 tick. Right? 887.5 plus 420 plus 540. Jesus Christmas. Come on, Bob. 420 plus 540, 960 plus 887.50 is 1847.50. Throw in my 410 is 2257.50. Plus, yeah, but they're different trades. You got to count my live. Plus 920. 3177.50. This is going to target, guys. I closed it out. So. Two. News, fellas. News. Guys, it was a darn good week, a darn good day.